Hey, how you doing? I'm Andre with Narrow Path Roofing and Construction. We're out here to conduct a repair, just to see if it's fit to repair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chalk off the section that need to be chalked off and number the existing shingles that's gonna be affected by the repair.
I grab those for you.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen the shingle up so that I can find out where the okay, it's starting right here. Start right here. And right there. All right, now I'm about to attempt to go ahead and remove this existing shingle.
1 second, I want to, well, you go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Okay.
I'm gonna just go ahead and loosen it up. I'm not gonna do it.
I'm gonna stay.
Okay, all right. Well, no, I gotta number it anyway, so. Yeah, you go ahead and do what you gotta do. Let me number it.
Okay.
What you was finishing?
While he's doing that, I'm gonna pan, when he gets done doing that, I'm gonna pan to the left and talk about the valleys. And you can pause right there, that way.
Alright.
So I'm gonna keep him in the view, that way you can see that he's not doing anything malicious or anything like that. So chalk the valleys right there. It shows whether you got ice and water shield or valley metal in the valleys. And then also at the beginning of the valleys, it's woven, which we did take photos of that and send it in already. So anything that that we have to do to this particular slope is gonna affect the rest of the valleys. And then also on the ridges as well, we did show that to where we have it, the arrows right there showing that if anything is affected on this particular slope on the front, we're gonna have to tear that ridge up, and it's gonna affect the back slope as well. So just wanted to make note of that real quick.
All right. So now I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to take the nails out to this existing shingle. So that means I gotta go up under these. I do want to show that as I pull the nails out, we got damage from nails. Also, if you pan out and look, I'm already starting to get some creasing going across the existing shingles. So. issue with it.
Show his wrist right there.
There we go. All right. This is the old shingle. Got damage right there from the nail. That's the old shingle. Now I'm about to install a new. Hold up. It's catching the underlayment. That's what it was doing. There we go. Stop catching the underlayment. Golly. No, it's not catching underlayment right here. Okay. All right. So as you can see, causing more damage right here. I'm gonna use my roof snake so I wouldn't cause any further damage.
Sometimes with me it helps when I push up on the roof snake while I'm hammering.
Yeah.
Sometimes that works a little bit better.
There we go. That one's a lot better. As you can see right here, it's also getting damage from the roof snake. Sometimes when you do repairs like this and it's causing multiple damage, best thing to do is just to repair the whole thing. In there good, but as you can see, square 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 didn't get much affected, but 4 is very much well affected. So that concludes that this repair is a failed attempt.